First of all, I would like to say thank you that you participate in this night. This event will close to the anniversary of our national hero, of Heydar Aliyev. In this night, I will introduce about his whole life and about political life and about his own life. And I will show you about his movie, special movie from Azerbaijan, send it to me. Biography and photo. I will introduce you all about his life, the photo especially from Heydar Aliyev Foundation. So I would like to start about the video about his life. As you know, Heydar Aliyev was born on 10 May 1923 in the city Nakhchivan of Azerbaijan. He was born in a family, 4 brothers and 3 sisters. In 1939, after graduating from the Nakhchivan Pedagogical School, he studied at the architectural department of the Azerbaijan Industrial Institute. But the war did not let him to complete his education. During these years, he received special higher education in St. Petersburg, and in 1957 he graduated from the History Department of Azerbaijan State University. Heydar Aliyev was married in 1948 with Zarifa Aliyeva. In 1955 was born first his daughter Sevil Aliyeva, and in 1961 Ilham Aliyev. Heydar Aliyev was awarded a number of international awards, the title of honorary doctor and numerous countries, and other high honors. He was 4 times awarded of Order of Lenin and Order of the Red Star and many medals, and twice Hero of Social Labor. He was awarded also other medals of many foreign countries. In July 1969, as the first Secretary of Central Committee of USSR, the Party of Azerbaijan, Heydar Aliyev heads the Republic of Azerbaijan. In December 1982, Heydar Aliyev was elected a member of Political Bureau and Deputy Chairman of the Supreme of Soviet USSR. Returned in July 1990 to Azerbaijan, Heydar Aliyev has lived at first in Baku, then in Nakhchivan. In the same year was elected to the Supreme Soviet of Azerbaijan. In 1991-1993, he served as chairman of the Supreme Assembly of the Nakhchivan Autonomous Republic, deputy chairman of Supreme Council of the Azerbaijan Republic at the conducted in 1992 in the city of Nakhchivan of founding Congress of Yeni Azerbaijan. Heydar Aliyev was elected chairman of the party of Yeni Azerbaijan Party. In between May and June 1993, a result of extreme tensions of the governmental crisis after the USSR, the country was at the verge of civil war and lost independence. The people of Azerbaijan demanded to bring to power Heydar Aliyev. The then leaders of Azerbaijan were obligated to officially invite Heydar Aliyev to Baku. It was in 15 June 1993. Heydar Aliyev was elected chairman of Supreme Soviet of Azerbaijan. And on 24 July, on resolution of Milli Majlis, it's our parliament, he managed to exercise the powers of the President of Republic of Azerbaijan. October 3, 1993, a result of nations-wide voting, Heydar Aliyev was elected President of Republic of Azerbaijan. October 11, 1998, garnered of the elections, passed in high activeness of the population, 76% of the vote. He was re-elected President of Republic of Azerbaijan. Heydar Aliyev gave his consent of nominated as a candidate at the 15 October in 2003 presidential election. He just refused because of his health, so that's why he stopped. Historical destiny of Azerbaijan, covering the period over the last 30 years. What I introduced you was inseparably linked with the name of Heydar Aliyev, really. Revival of the people during these years in all spheres, political or economical, and cultural life connected only with his name. Being an outstanding politician and statesman, the indomitable leader of the people, he still was a live legend. And therefore, the phenomenon of Haydar Aliyev was always attracted attention and admiration while in political activities of the national leader of Haydar Aliyev. And also, world Azerbaijanis were widely covered both in the national and international press. In June 1993, when the people of Azerbaijan believed that the national statehood was treated with collapse, when there began the hardest days, it instantly demanded change of the existing government, and since that time relied its destiny only for Haydar Aliyev. Really, Haydar Aliyev, who took seeing the suffering of these people, his invitation and return to the politics in Azerbaijan only by people invitation. The people met the return of Haydar Aliyev and they invite him. He saved us from civil war. After the Soviet Union when broke up, he saved us from the government. Mr. Miralan.
Thank you, Mr. Farhad. I want to note one important thing, that these days, as a representative of new generation, Ilham Aliyev, the current president of Azerbaijan Republic, followable continuous political strategy of Azerbaijan development. Ilham Aliyev is the new leader of the new century of Azerbaijan and Azerbaijan people. Thank you for attention and for sharing with us this event.
We would like to show you a video about development of Azerbaijan, which is after he even leave us. Yeah, we need him this day, but his foundation so much help. By the way, only for his helping and his foundation today I am studying in Kaunas. So I would like to show you a video about his foundation and about his life.
Azerbaijan, about the development of Azerbaijan.
The name Haydar Aliyev is very important to every Azerbaijani. His name is closely related with the development of an independent Azerbaijan. His main goal was to create a strong state in the region. He dedicated his life to accomplishing this objective. Due to his endless commitment, Azerbaijan became an independent, democratic, and developed country by the end of the 20th century. People throughout the country love him and appreciate all of his endeavors. That is why today, the name of Haydar Aliyev is present in every field of Azerbaijani society.
Okay, thank you so much. when the contract of the century, he opened the biggest oil contract between Baku, Tbilisi, Ceyhan. He all the time was showing attention to the army, to the people which is serving army. This is in summit of Istanbul, Heydar Aliyev. This is when he re-elected second time in 1998. He re-elected second time. He was all the time going to the city. It's very dangerous for personality really to go to the city to meet with the people. My neighbor even was his security, like his bodyguard. He was saying, really, this man, every time he put us on danger feelings, because when he goes to the national with peoples, when he meet with the peoples, it's very dangerous. But he was meeting with all peoples. It's a national holiday. He was all the time meeting. He opened all the time schools. He just making shock news for the students just coming in. It wasn't planning on his, but he was just meeting with the peoples, with the students. All about his life is really so interested, and next time I would like to introduce you about the next movie about his life. It's really interested. Today really I would like to appreciate, I would like to thankful for you that you come to my event, and we will close our event with you all memories, pictures, but in our Azerbaijani flag. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.